Hi, and I'm Julie Manning in Marketing Principles for the fall of 2018 at NTC. I am here to introduce to you Cloud 9 chocolate and peanut butter bars made by Heavenly Delightful Goods. The corporate mission statement for Heavenly Delightful Goods is to make sure that anybody who's watching their calories or sugar or any other health issues, that they have a special treat that can take them away from the hectic way of life. Our primary age range for our target market is age 40 to 60. And we chose this age group specifically because we're focusing on those with type 2 diabetes. That will include the generations such as the Zennials and their birth years start here and end here. And Generation X, same thing, 65 to 79. And then the baby boomer generation will get just the tail end of that from 1946 to 64. The primary target market income level is going to be approximately $70,000, and that is a combined income. And mainly this is because it's aimed at those that have diabetes, and they realize that there is a health issue. But also it's going to be a higher cost because we're delivering a much more healthier, satisfying candy that will stop those urges. The primary target market for the rollout location, because our company is based out of Wisconsin, we will roll out initially in the Midwest. That will include approximately 12 states. The diversity will be there, so we have a little bit of knowledge on age, income, and cultural areas. The lifestyle is, we looked at the internal factors of how you get your attitudes, values, and beliefs. And these are all learned from a very young age from how we grew up and where we grew up. But the type of lifestyle our company focuses on is consumers that are aware of their health, and then offering them a special startup price. And next, we want to make sure that the consumer creates a positive bond and experience with us so that we can retain them as customers. So we will go above and beyond to make the customer happy. And in addition, at that point, they can, by word of mouth, their positive experience, they will be able to tell other people, and we should be able to get some more clients from that aspect. But more specifically, we are going to target individuals that are either pre-diabetic or diabetic, or just have a desire to eat healthier snacks. As I mentioned, our name of the candy bar is Cloud 9 Chocolate and Peanut Butter Bar. It's 1.5 ounces. And as you can see here, we have the aerated milk chocolate, stevia, which is all natural sugar, skim milk, and the natural peanut butters. The cost of production for the manufacturer is 83 cents. The profit as a manufacturer is 57 cents with a 40.7% profit. The suggested retail price is to the consumers $1.79. So the retailer will have a 39 cents profit, presuming that they use the $1.79 suggested retail with a 22% retail profit. Our first competitor is Air Delight Aerate Milk Chocolate. As you can see, they use a lot of ingredients. I don't know what PGPR is. And it has a $1.59 suggested retail price. The difference between Cloud 9 is that we have all natural ingredients and you use stevia instead of sugar, but also that we've incorporated natural peanut butter. This company did their rollout mostly on the East Coast and online stores such as Amazon. Competitor number 2 was Cadbury Wispa. They are, again, using a lot of sugar, vegetable fats, E42, whatever that might be, but their suggested retail price is $1.49. Once again, you know, Cloud9 chocolate and peanut butter bar, we stand out above the others because we're made with the all-natural ingredients, and we have peanut butter, all natural, which will put a little creamy into that as well. And the rollout area for the Cadbury Wispa was mainly in the United Kingdom and only can be purchased online. So the place in the distributions that we are looking at to target is mainly Triggs Grocery Store and Shopko. Shopko is an exclusively Midwest chain store that's located in Minnesota and Wisconsin. So this would be a perfect place to roll out our Cloud9 chocolate and peanut butter bar. My research has also indicated that the target range of age group 40 to 60 of the candy bars will either shop at Triggs Grocery Store or Shopko. And in many cases, they will shop at both stores for different items. So we have covered a lot of our area that we want to get, or our targets. The SWOT analysis internal, the strength is that we do have top chefs that are on staff, and they can really create some heavenly candy that's yet healthy or healthier. And as a company, we want to make sure that those that are watching their weight or on a special diet, that they have that special treat to take them away from the hectic day and just give them that feeling like they are on cloud 9. The weakness is that there are very few companies that really have sold aerated candy in the United States. However, the other side is too that, you know, with our company being located in north central Wisconsin, the weakness is that it might be harder to get our product out to the intended target areas. As a recent trend, I did a little bit of research. That trend showed that the recent trend is to use citrus flavor that's infused with chocolate. Parents feel this is a good way to get their children to eat. Some have suggested doing this with vegetables and chocolate. And that's something that our company might roll out down the road, is try doing some fruit or infused chocolate candies that once we get through this product rolled out. In addition, just because other companies have been unsuccessful with aerated chocolate doesn't mean that in the U.S., it doesn't mean that Heavenly Delightful Goods is going to fail. It just means we have to try a little harder, and we need to use the internet to reach out and go globally. External threats, again, some of the research showed that the aerated bars failed before because the customers felt like they were paying for air. Well, that's why we've tried to add the peanut butter in there to promote Cloud9 chocolate and peanut butter bars to get that craving in there so they feel like they're getting more. The slogan. Our slogan is so heavenly, you won't feel like you're cheating. And again, this goes back to the all-natural process of the candy bar, and that everybody should have, that has a craving for chocolate, should be able to have something once in a while. So this was one way that we can satisfy those devilish urges. We will use many ways to target our market users. We'll use media such as postal mail, email, newspapers, televised advertisement, radio stations, and we'll have some consumer promotions such as, buy one, get one free for our new target area, or scratch off promotions on the inside of the wrapper. It could be a free candy bar, dollar amount, or more. Like could be a case of Cloud9 candy bars. Contests that could come up with logos or slogans or different logos for the company. The sales, we can have quarterly sales depending on the season. So we could offer our wholesaler discounts for Halloween or Christmas, or create the candy bar into different shapes depending on the time of the year. And lastly, we could have some in-store samples for the new area so that it's easy for them, once somebody tries it, it's easy for them just to try it and go, oh, I like that, and most people will just buy by an impulse. The trade promotions to retailers will be allowances. So if they buy 10 boxes or more, they'll get $20 off. For the display money, if the retailer puts Cloud9 in their display by the cash register, they'll get 5 boxes free. Advertising co-op money. If they place a coupon for our candy bar, we'll give them 25, or we'll pay 25% of the advertising cost. And then there's the rewards and loyalty. So when a retailer continually purchases, and that's the key word, is continually, Cloud9 chocolate and peanut butter bars will make them exclusive to their area, so that the more they purchase, the farther the distance away will be to the next company that actually sells our product. Our product package will look like this. Imagine yourself sitting on a cloud. You're on Cloud9. You're happy. You're so heavenly you won't feel like you're cheating, but yet you have this wonderful, heavenly, delightful candy bar in your hands. This is dedicated in loving memory of my brother, Terry Rossi, who made his heavenly journey on September 1st, 2018, and was a diabetic. Thank you.